Doing a quick video for you today. It's what I call a pocket chainsaw. It's something I saw Pitfire Outdoors do a couple weeks ago, and I thought I'd give it a try. Basically, a chainsaw blade with a hand hole loop on each end. And if you do it just right, you can fit it into a Altoids tin. This is the blade that I got. I don't know if that will help you out at all, but I'm going to keep this and go buy the round file for sharpening this. Break off a little piece and keep it in the tin. That's what Pitfire Outdoors did. I was talking to a guy at work about this idea, and he said it's been around for about 20 years. It used to be called saw in a can. You can still buy these. There's a bunch of different varieties. This cost me about $11 to make. It's something I'm going to keep in my backpack just for emergencies. I'm going to keep trying it out to see if I like it or not. Normally I carry a 24-inch buck saw and a folding saw in my backpack, but I'm going to try this out for a while just to see if I like it.